Okay. Sorry guys, I accidentally pressed the pause button.
Open them, Penny.
I accidentally somehow pressed the button and it exited me out of the video. So just a second. And I was gonna say is, what side are you? What side are you on in the sun and moon? What side are you on?
You want to keep them all in the boxes?
See, and down in the comments, tell me what team are you on? Are you on Team Roll It, Team Populo, or Team Litten? And if you don't know what their fully evolution is, go on Google or something, and then you can see what their fully evolution is. Okay, so put those to the side. Okay. So enough talking. Let's get straight into the pack. And this, I'm opening up a break point, and then let me do the card trick really quick.
Oh yeah, that's the one I had.
Okay. Oh my gosh, we got Lapras, a Gibite, a Slowbro.
Yeah.
A Skeptile.
Yeah.
A Staryu.
With her jackets and everything.
A Piptile. A Rattata. And and Tempulo. And what the heck? We got an evolution. Rattata and a Raticata. Raticata. Okay. So we didn't get any GXs or EXs in that. So let's open the next pack. Evolutions. Evolution is. Let me just pull up the chair more. Evolution is probably one of my second favorite, because they got I think this is the pack that looks like they have old cards. Yeah, they got old cards, but it looks like they're old cards, like this Drowsy. But actually they're made in 2016. Mega Pidgeot, Spirit Link, a Nidoran, a Switch, a Drowsy, a Ponyta, a Nidoran, a Machop, a Growlithe. Oh, Shiny Energy, and Dewgong. What's up with that? Come on, Evolutions. You're my favorite. You're breaking my heart.
Yeah, it's like she's gonna make tortillas.
Yeah. Me gusta la cara,
Come on.
Parece que va a hacer tortillas.
Okay. Put that to the side with the other cards. Okay. So let's open my favorite Steam Siege. Guys, cross your fingers we're going to get something rare in this, because I know we're probably going to get something rare in this, because cross your fingers, and I want all your magical fingers to get us something. And if we don't get something, or if any of you don't cross your fingers, well, we're not going to get anything. So let's see. I already got 3 of these. Ninja Boy, Yama, Fletchling, a Mirror, a Difflum, a Apon, a Crocotong, and you guys are fingers really good. We got a Hollow Hydreigon. A Hollow Hydreigon. Even though I have a Hollow Hydreigon, I'm gonna give away this Hydreigon to one of you, and you're probably gonna have to draw a picture of your favorite of your favorite Pokemon but it has to be a legendary. And whatever picture is best, I'm gonna send you this Hydreigon. So, cause I got two. Right now I got two Hello Hydreigons. That means like this is my other one, and a reverse hollow. So we're opening Fates Collide. Not one of my favorites, but probably get used to it. Okay, Brookson. Scorched Earth. A Old Ember Aerodactyl. I don't know. Ralu. Deerling. Jigglypuff. I don't know. Meowth. Hollow Kangaskhan. No! No! Guys, if you cross your fingers or something, you are magical. We got a secret rare Team Rocket's handiwork. Look at that! Oh my gosh! A secret rare and a Kangaskhan. Oh my gosh! Where's my sleeve?
Yeah, you have to pull the string.
I'm gonna put them in a harder case after this because like my dad said it's not good. Like you could go to a baseball store or a Pokemon store, get these sleeves, and then next go to the baseball store and get the hard cases, because this plus the hard case equals like fully mint condition. Okay, last pack, evolutions. We're opening an evolution, guys, and don't forget to tell me what's your favorite team. Okay.
I don't know what her name is. I guess a little flyer got lost. That has the names in it, you know?
She looks like Samantha.
Yeah, she does look
But
like
I know
Samantha.
they required.
Oh.
Yeah.
Man, this evolutions pack is so hard to open. Maybe it's got like a rare and it doesn't want me to open it because it's too rare. Yeah, like dude, freaking this secret rare. Oh my gosh. A Slowbro Spirit Link, a Brock's Grit, a Devolution Spray, a Drowsy, an Electabuzz, a Weedle, a Magikarp, an Energy. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. That looks so cool. The hollow the reverse hollow they used to have back there, it's cool. And it does choose one of those or the different.
Yeah, she loves doing that. Yeah, that's my princess.
Okay,
Yeah.
ding ding,
I'll go with
we
her
got
here,
a
but you
winner,
can't
winner,
put it in
chicken
yet,
dinner.
right?
A hollow
Well, then I'm thinking,
hint
where
Monchan.
is,
I'm gonna put
where
these
is,
two in the
where
cases
is,
because these guys got.
Did you see my fan?
Yeah.
It's
Oh, what
around
are you
here
doing?
somewhere.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey.
He's videotaping.
Okay, so that's cool. I think I'm gonna have to get like one more sleeve,
The
but
what?
the one I really gotta put the sleeve in is this one. So
It's around. I saw it somewhere.
this is gonna go up front with the secret. Okay, so leave a like down below and smash that subscriber button, and like next video, well, I'm gonna make my name soon, so bye.